Hi everyone and welcome to my place. I want to show you how to do a botanical table runner. You might be having a wedding, you might be having a special function, and all you want is just the beautiful leaves. Now you can use either fresh or artificial. I actually managed to find this gorgeous garland here. Isn't that just fabulous? Look at that. It's all done and it's all ready. It's all finished. The leaves will sit on the table and they will just always be just so and perfect. Now, if you're looking for this type of material, try AliExpress. They're all different. So they're not quite like this, but there are lots and lots and lots that you can choose from. This is about 1.5 meters long and it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 leaves on it. And it's also got this lovely little hook here, which would be fantastic if you wanted to hang it up, or you can just actually cut that bit off, or I'll show you how to hide that. Now the other thing and also you've got to remember, because it's coming from China, it comes in a box. So once you get it, you're just going to have to get in there and you're going to have to manipulate it. If you wanted to use fresh, not a problem, because these leaves, Monstera leaves especially anyway, are really great, or fruit salad leaves are really great because they will last a long time. So if you're picking them today to use them for a function tomorrow, they will last without getting all wilty. Okay, the other thing that I have found is I found some single leaves which are pretty much the same colour, so I'm going to incorporate those into it. And where I've got the little ones up this end, what I'm going to do is these ones here, even though I haven't got any of the smaller ones, these at the other end tying in will be fantastic. I also found some metallics. I love that for design now you can incorporate a little bit of metallics. I've got these lovely pewter leaves that I'm going to use. Plus I found these white ones which I thought were gorgeous with the new on-trend look that we're using in floral design now. So it's pretty, and you also are going to need some cable ties. So I've got some black cable ties. I couldn't find green, so black's going to have to do. So the first thing I want to do is using these big leaves. Aren't they just lovely? Look at that. I'm going to show you in due course. I'll show you how to make a bouquet using these. But anyway, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to take that down and lay that on that end there, and I'm going to repeat at the other end. And I could be cutting some of those leaves off, but I don't want to do that yet because I've got other uses. With the single leaves, because I've just got that round bit there, what I'm going to do is I'll include I'll just put a couple of those at that end, so that you've got the leaves at this end, so that it doesn't have a start and finish point. So I've got the two leaves there, so I might as well, I'm just going to run two of those leaves down into there, and because it's got the plastic or the wire in it, I'll just move those out just a little bit. So now it's nice and even. With these leaves here, I'm just going to thread those through like so. And this leaf, I love how these leaves just sort of like have that lovely plain, look at that beautiful sheen in there. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous for something that says a lot but doesn't actually involve a lot of work to put it together. I'm going to put that one there. I've got this one here, so I'm going to bring that down to here and just gently, 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 without moving don't you move, just push that down into there. And I'll bring another one down and in through to here like so. And then with the metallic leaf, I just thought that just a little bit of a highlight of that. Oops, take the labels off. I don't need labels in this at all. But I think that for, doing something for a function and you don't want to include, you just want beautiful leaves. What's wrong with just beautiful leaves? I think that this is fantastic. And I'll just bring that one there through and into there so that my highlights are in there. Right, from there, it's just a matter of getting my cable ties and then lifting up these leaves and then just gently, gently, everything's moving and I don't want it to, but anyway, this will be fine. Just go through there with the cable tie, and it's a lot of handwork here, like I can't see, but I can feel. So I've got that done to there, and then just going into here with that leaf and then just binding all of those in through there. Where's my end? There it is there. And you know, you could do these days in advance of your event. And then to finish this off, what I possibly might or could do, I haven't quite decided yet, if you wanted to bring other flowers into that, just cut those ends off. I always like to cut bits like that off as I go. And then it's just, oh, hold on, I need one more down this end here. You might as well do it properly as you go, and just sneaking in through there to just finish that off, pulling that quite tight because we don't want bits falling out as we go. Let me just make sure that I've got everything, and yes, I have. Look at that, how cool is that? Perfect. And that just running along your table. And look, I wouldn't worry about if there's bits sort of poking, oops, hold on, this is where you might just have to play Mother Nature for a minute to just bend and manipulate your leaves out. But how cool is that? And now to finish it off, you could perhaps just get little shot glasses or just some little wee round glasses, and you might like to put a glass there and put some white, beautiful white hydrangeas in, or some little clusters of roses and run those all the way through. Or you might like to just get some green and or metallic or white candles and just have your pillar candles. But as a base for the beginnings of a beautiful table arrangement, I think that that's fabulous. You might even like to use this as the base around a beautiful, I know I've had lots of requests of late of how do you do something for around like a pergola or an arch. Perfect, look at that, all ready to go. Fantastic, I love it. I hope you've enjoyed that. I've enjoyed sharing that with you. And it's nice for us here at Astar's Place to be on trend with everybody else. Look forward to seeing you all again another day.